There's literally knocking from that way. Here, you want the
Yeah.
like?
That sounded like keys.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the one that I was talking about.
Yeah, it sounds like keys, right? Okay.
You wanna go back?
Where? There?
No, back. Like
Yeah.
over there. Let's go. Guys, you have to zoom in to see that shit.
And put your like.
I see like a face, but I don't know if I'm tripping.
Wait, show the light. I got it.
Fuck, I'm listening to Scary Music.
There's like cardboard or shit, right? You think there's cockroaches in here?
What?
What was that? Okay, guys, we're eating the 5-star at Dubai in the tunnels.
Dubai, on top of the roof.
Yeah, on top of the roof in the tunnel.
Yeah, bro, look, you see this, guys? Oh my god, so luxurious. Even with our 5-star.
5-star.
Yeah, 5-star sandwich, guys. We got everything.
So what do you got?
God hooked us up.
And then we got like random ass.
Guys, we're out here in Dubai. I think we're leaving already on the roof and everything. So, yeah, I think we're going to the river. to the river Dubai.
The river of Dubai.
Yeah, the river Dubai.
The Mississippi River.
No,
Dubai.
we're going to the Nile River.
The
guys.
Nile River.
Yeah. Mira, mami. Mira, mami. ¿Cómo estás, señorita? Put it through. Okay, we're trying to see the old guy.
I think we're going over here, right?
Bro, get that. Yeah, probably over here. Bro, he looked at me like so weird, like, dog, what is this Mexican Hispanic saying, bro? Bye! Mira, baby, here, estamos en el boat with...
What is blood doing? We're going to the tunnels. We got like 15 minutes until we got farther. So let's just get in a fast pace immediately.
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Because I didn't know the tunnel.
Well, if you see some like fun ass like graffiti, like good ones,
Yeah,
I might stop to take a photo.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna start going.
Imagine this is like the Jeffrey Dahmer fucking feature Netflix series where me and you fucking get lost in there.
Don't say that shit.
No, Loki, I'm probably gonna go back.
Nah. Bro, look at all this.
Mira, mami, gente, vamos a ir a los tunnels.
The twin tunnels. Okay. You can see there's like graffiti over there. I'm kind of nervous.
After I said that,
Let's just not think of it too much. When we go there, if we hear a noise and like we could hear a couple of noises.
dog, is that cotton?
Cotton? Yeah, I think.
Where the people like to pick it. I'm joking.
Alright, that's the dirty tunnel. There's a trail right over here. How much?
I want to go to the clean one, bro. We're not about to do it.
Yeah, we're not going to this one. This one's too dirty. You could actually fall. And this one like ends literally right there.
Dude, I need to put, like, some fucking music to get my
Adrenaline. Bro, what? Okay, this is the trail. Look, this is the trail. There's the area right there. Okay. How do you feel right now?
Fucking weird. I don't fucking know. Let me put the cry of dawn there.
There's somebody over there, so let's just not make a lot of. Let's try to not be too like. Bro, look at that beautiful ass place. Backrooms music. We're gonna no click to the backrooms. Bro, what? Ah, hell no. Okay.
I'm gonna take a picture of this later.
Listen, when we get back, because, you
Yeah.
know, we don't got a lot of time.
Not right now.
We only got 45 minutes. Shit, almost. Alright, you just walk right here. Oh, shoot. Almost slipped. There's so much, like, stuff. Yeah, I don't know how they built like this. This is, like, actually cool. And there it is. Oh, shoot. Watch out. Bro, this is cool. There's, like, a bumper. Okay. Okay, it's down here. Right here. Alright, let's go right here. Hey, watch your step. Oh shit. Is that a cactus? Or like a whatever it is? That's like some type of like spikes.
Yeah, no, this is some wild type shit, bro. God, I didn't know this shit was deep as fuck.
I know it is. Okay.
Fucking chakras are literally popping out their sockets, bro.
Bro. Okay. Look at this graffiti, bro. That's huge. Alright, now we can walk normally. Yeah, oh, there it is.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
I'm trying to pay attention to the song.
Okay.
Oh, hell no.
You scared?
God, move.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here.
Wait, does the signal get in there?
No. Okay.
Shit.
We got flashlights. Look. I say, get your thing.
Listening to some fucking creepy
Here.
ass music. Oh shit, I forgot about this.
Okay. I got the bright one because, you know, I'm gonna be in front.
I'm gonna record a little bit.
What is that?
Yeah.
There's like a towel on the wall.
How do I turn this shit on?
You just press it.
Where?
Watch it. Oh shit. Okay. Bro's coughing. Alright. Alright, let's go. I got this in my pocket. Let's go this. Alright. Okay. I got this. And actually I'm gonna turn it. Okay. Watch out. Okay. Oh, it's like getting dark too. Hold up. Can you turn this on? Wait. Actually, no, I think it's the back. Okay, no, I got it. Okay. Okay, we're finally doing this, boy. Okay, wait. Check this one. Hold up. This is that other dirty one. I know, right? Okay. Here's the flashlight. Here. Okay. Alright, let me check the time.
Oh, okay, no, you gotta get phone. 5:47.
5:47.
What?
That's the
I don't know
car.
how to
That's
do
the
it.
car. Just go like with your other hand. Go like this. This. Yeah. We're blessed by God. Oh, this shit's scary, bro. Dude, I wish I had those bright ass flashlights.
I mean, it's not. Oh god damn, bro, this shit cool. There's gonna be more water, the more down below.
I think. Hello.
Dog, you scared me, bro. And we're going at a faster pace. Dog, no. I'm dead as about to take my chanclas off.
Bro, what?
Yeah, I kind of did.
You want to go in there instead?
You
'Cause-
want to?
Yeah, cause bro,
Crawling?
I don't think we're gonna go in like more because bro, like we don't got the bright ass flashlights.
You want to go crawling in there?
Yeah. I'll go. You go first. Here's a flashlight.
Oh, sure.
I got you. Anthony Pizzano.
Why did I do that? Wait, can I put my bag in your bag?
Yeah. Bro, it's because we don't got the bright ass flashlights. That's why I'm fucking
Or
scared.
do you want to go in there?
Let's go in there.
Come on, let's go in there.
In there?
Dog, I'm
Should we
not
just
gonna
check a
be
little-
able to crawl in there.
Huh?
I'm not gonna be able to crawl in there.
Okay, let's just go then.
There's like fucking spiders on the ceiling.
Okay, let's just. What time is it? Well, damn, we probably killed that shit. Then.
What?
Dude, this is creepy. Yeah, let's actually go farther, okay?
That's what I'm trying to do. That's why I'm bringing the plate. Shit, it's misty again.
It's musty as hell. Okay. Oh, what is this?
Which one? I think that's just glue.
What?
Oh, this?
If we come back here, we're gonna be more prepared because the flashlights, you know? Oh, look. This definitely works better.
What's that?
You heard that? That shit's scary. Shut the fuck up. Wait. Bro, you hear how loud that is? Wait, hold on. Wait. Wait. Okay, let's just walk slowly. Let's walk slowly. I'll wait. What the fuck was that? Right here?
I don't know. Wait, which way is which way? That's
This
straight,
way.
right?
This way's back. Bro. What the hell? There's like bugs on me. Oh, this works better. Let's go. Let's go faster. This works better. Yeah, this works better now. I'll stay close to you. Oh, what time is it? What the
Was that you?
No.
I can't even see, bro.
Bro, if we had that bright ass flashlight, bro, we would be good right now.
Oh God, we would like be smiling and shit.
Yeah, bro, but we don't got anything, bro. Dude, fuck.
It's like
Guys, we hear like some noise. If we had like our bright ass flashlights, we would have went farther, but I don't know if we want to go farther. Bro, this tunnel's haunted, right?
I don't know. Doc, I thought you said there's no internet down here. Oh shit, there is.
Oh, that's cars.
Wait, let me see if I could like text them.
Should we go live? Go live.
Nah, I can't. I only have like, oh shit, I can't send messages.
Hello? Is there anyone that wants to talk to us? Bro, it's like this place is like so weird. I don't know. Dude, next time we come here, guys, we're actually gonna come prepared with like better stuff. It's cause I left my backpack, the one with all the flashlights, I left that at my dad's house, and you know, I'm not going like for a couple of days. So I need that. Keep going. You guys already know how this tunnel works. Snow graffiti over here. This is how it looks like. Wait, what?
Don't breathe, don't breathe.
What the fuck? That's cars, right? Okay, what time is it?
It's like 6.
Bro, this shit's actually insane. Oh, my feet are cold. Hear that noise?
Yeah.
Es como like, it's como like breathing or some shit. It's like, guys, I don't know, but this is so weird. That's the car. Oh, the color's changing. Look.
Yeah, and like it's white.
Okay, let's go. Let's hurry up. This is where the rust was. Oh shit, I almost fell. What the fuck? That's a car. Oh yeah, that's a car.
You heard a hit though, right?
Yeah. You heard it? That sounded like music.
Yeah. Turn everything off. Like everything. No, actually, no, bro. Bro, please. Bro, we're gonna. What the fuck? What's supposed to do?
What time is it?
Let's go.
More. Okay. Okay, we're at the new part. Oh, we're getting close. You're gonna grab that shit? You chucked it? Wait, shh. Okay, let's keep going. We're getting close to the part where there's tunnels. You wanna go back?
Yeah.
You sure? Or you wanna go a little more?
Dog, there's literally knocking from that way. Here, you want the
Yeah.
like?
That sounded like keys.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the one that I was talking about.
Yeah, it sounds like keys, right? Okay.
You wanna go back?
Where? There?
No, back. Like
Yeah.
over there.
Let's go.
You want me to go in the front?
No, I'm good. What do you mean?
Back over there.
Back over there?
Yes.
Oh, hell no.
You want to? Dog, I mean, we heard knocking from that side, but like, what if there's people trying to warn us not to go over there?
Over there?
Yeah, no, over there. Cause like the knocking came from over there.
I swear this place is haunted or some shit.
Oh, so you wanna go back?
Nah. Dude, we barely got any more time.
Okay, fine. Un video más, mi gente. El que quiera perder su tiempo mirando este video que lo pierda, pero yo me voy a comer. I might explore this cave, whatever. Yeah.
Are you gonna post that in the story?
Rana.
Oh. Oh, that's car. I got the flashlight. You and we're close. Like.
Bro, it looks so clear, but like, I wonder if you could fake it.
drink? Yeah, hell nah. That has like fucking worms. Who has tacos? Ah, he has tacos.
We're gonna post that on my story.
Who has tacos? He has tacos. And this is like, look at it. Should we just explore this?
Yeah, you want.
You should record as well. Okay, I got you. Hey, help me out. Hold the camera.
Okay, on this.
Yeah, hold this. Record me. I'm not going. Okay, guys. Let me take a selfie.
Come on, let's go.
Keep recording me.
Ah, fuck. Hurry up, my knee.
Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay.
It's like totally.
Okay. This is mosquitoes. Okay, keep going. I don't know. That's like.
Look at the little rocks in these ones. Good?
Yeah. Just we're in a little tunnel. This feels very weird, but it's cool, right? Should I crawl?
Yeah. Dog, I don't want to hold this.
Huh?
Wait.
Is that a spider nest? No. Wait, keep going. Wait, that's like a manhole or some shit. It said there was graffiti here that said epic. It said it was epic or some shit. So maybe it is. Yo, does this lead to outside? What is that?
Hell no, that's a frog.
Where?
Over there.
Can you stand up?
Yeah.
Stand up. This is as far as I ever went in here.
It's like cigarettes and shit.
Really?
Like brand new ones.
Stand up.
That's a recent cigarette.
Wait, help me up.
Oh yeah, I forgot you had the bag. Bro, there's like black ass
Oh,
widows.
hell no. Let's go.
Dog. This is what eat me.
Let's go. Oh, hell no. Wait, show them the camera.
What?
Show,
Oh, yeah,
get the
give me
camera. Show them the angle.
The shit that we do for this mini YouTube channel is kind of. Bro, I swear somebody lives in there.
Why?
There's like fucking cardboard.
You should record it, like,
Dog, you want me to go in there?
not in there, but like, just, I guess, like, no, but record it sideways, remember?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
No, like the other side. Like this side. Or the, yeah, like that.
Hell no. Here.
Should we go there?
What?
Should we go there?
Where?
In
Over
there.
there? Dog, you want to?
Let me see.
Fine, let's go. Dog, you have to zoom in to see the shit.
And put your leg.
I see like a face, but I don't know if I'm tripping.
Wait, show the light. I got it.
Fuck, I'm listening to scary music.
There's like cardboard or shit, right? You think there's cockroaches in here?
What?
What the fuck was that? You wanna go back?
Yeah.
Let's go. What is this guy on? Okay. Fuck. What is that? That smell smells so weird.
Oh, you guys hurt?
Okay, actually, never mind. Put up. Okay, I got it. Blood. Bro, dude, you didn't even have a sweater. You were scared of those spiders. I thought there was a spider here. Okay, let's go back. Wait, why is there a banana? Alright, I got a theory. You know, this thing is like, I don't know why, but there's a theory about that. There's like the same, I don't know what's up with this thing, but at like every abandoned place, there's like this exact graffiti.
Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Wait, monkey, give me my camera.
Oh yeah.
Banana.
A
It's
banana?
so cool though. Look at this galaxy on the back.
I know, it's like a galaxy. That's fucking cool.
Hey, I'm gonna post this and I'm gonna add like I'm gonna tag a black person.
A black person?
Like a random black person.
Wait, do it again. Do it to get another picture. I'm gonna post that shit. What?
Come here. This is like some devil type shit, bro.
Oh hell yeah. Let's take a selfie. Oh, wait, put your light up like that.
Wait, can I zoom into the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, that shit. But later when we go.
Bro,
out
let me see the
tunnel-
camera. That's fucking cool. Alright, let's do it.
Again?
Yeah.
Wait, you want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
I got you. There you go.
Okay, guys. We're going now.
What is this shit saying, bro?
I don't know.
Is that a block?
Some demonic shit. Okay, but we're getting out of the tunnels now.
It was pretty fun though.
Yeah, it was
Like,
like
even
it's
though-
because we didn't have those flashlights I had last time.
and then we got scared and shit.
Yeah, if we had, okay guys, I'm sorry we didn't go for, oh wait, hold on. Next time we're gonna come more prepared. We're gonna get the flashlights from last time. I forgot them at like, you know, my dad's house and stuff. But next time we'll come more prepared and everything. And yeah, we're gonna say goodbye to the twin tunnels for a little bit. And yeah, we'll probably come back here. Next time we come back here, we're bringing a lot of shit. We're bringing weapons this time, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you almost fell. Let's go this way.
Yeah, I'm trying to go right here so I can put this can of Arizona.
Yeah, but next time. Oh! Oh my god. Did you record that? Yes. Hey, let's go. Ah. Oh my god, bro. This is... Bro, we gotta take photos of this, bro. Should I take a photo of this? Bro really fell. I'm gonna take a picture of this.
That shit fucked me.
You wanna stand right there?
Nah, I'm good.
Bro, that's cool. Okay.
Do I got moss on my shirt?
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Well, I'm gonna take it off actually.
Okay.
Cause I wanna wash it off cause like this shirt is like one of my favorite shirts.
I think it's this way. Bro, that's crazy. All of this was flooded, bro.
Actually?
Yeah. Bro, it's like... Oh, shoot. Okay. Fuck. Look how overgrown this is. Bro, we're in the woods, look. Look. Look how overgrown this is. Should we go that way?
What?
This. You should take a picture of this. Hey. Bro, I thought they called the cops on us for a second.
Imagine.
Dude, imagine they did.
Are you the guys that were exploring those tunnels?
There's a recent case of a murder down. You guys get murdered.
Okay, guys. Well, I hope you guys.
Okay, you
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. We'll come back here more prepared with better flashlights and everything with my cousin probably. And yeah, we would actually go really far. All right. Yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of footage and then it's gonna be done.
Mira, mami, gente, bye.
Bro, look at that. What is blood doing? Bro, how did he go all the way down there? What the hell? Okay, bye-bye. Okay.
I sound like a little kid. The pictures that they took. I'm gonna tag you. Yeah, I'm gonna post it.
Alright. It's fucking cool. Bro, this video is just gonna be like, I know we didn't go far, but like it's just gonna be cool because we made it fun.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I guess you could call it.
But next time
It was
we're
just
going
my
far.
first time.
But next time we're go this is, it's kind of good that we
Oh, that should look beautiful. Dog, bro's a whole ass photographer.
Bro's a
They
whole-
record me and then be like, bro's gotta pay the bills.
Bro's gotta pay the
Yeah,
bills.
yeah. Bro's gotta pay the bills.
Bro's gotta pay the bills. That's crazy. Should I post the one where we heard the fucking
Ooh, look at this berry.
bro's gonna get poisoned?
I was gonna get poisoned.
Bro,
ivy.
you're the second one that fell in there. My cousin, he fell last time. Right there. He fell
Actually?
right there. He fell right there. Bro, it was funny. You felt like. Oh,
Dog, what tunnel is that though?
that's the dirty tunnel, aka
Wait,
Twine
that's the
tunnel.
one that smells bad?
No, that's the one that fucking you could fall.
Oh, actually?
Yeah, but we gotta go, bro. Bro's gotta pay the bills.
I have to pay the bills.
Okay, how did he like it though? How was the experience?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Pretty good.
Good, bro. What you talking about?
What else?
I fell.
Huh?
I fell. Fuck, I fucked up that caterpillar.
Oh, you dumb, bro.
Dog, that's an actual caterpillar. Bro.
You killed that
fuck.
shit.
Dog, I thought it was a fucking leaf. Until
He's a murderer. You
Until
murdered a
until
fucking
I
poor
actually
animal.
twisted.
You murdered a poor
Shut your
animal.
bitch ass up.
Okay, well, we're gonna end it right here. We're gonna end it right here. We said that last time, but any last words, Anthony?
Bro, you gotta pay the bill.
Let's gotta pay the bills.
I
You're the
gotta
bill
pay
collector,
bills,
right?
guys. What?
You're the bill collector, right?
I'm the bill collector, guys. That shit was fun.
Any last words?
Nah.
The bill collector has
I'm
to
the
pay
bill
his bills.
collector. All I gotta say is that I'm the bill collector.
Are you gonna eat the camera?
Yeah.
Eat it.
What?
Eat the camera.
Why?
Eat it.